Hello, it's me, Kid Rock, also known as the biggest poser in rock and roll history. I also don't care about my fans. I think they all suck. I can't believe they buy my albums. Well, my music sucks. It's just terrible. My fans are stupid wiggers and 30-year-old sex offenders. I also look like a dork, and I try to act black, but I'm really just a country hillbilly retard just like my fans. Man, they're all just fools all summer long, and A Cowboy Baby are the worst rock songs in history. Okay, bye for now. I'm going to go record another album, so I just bring a microphone with me to the bathroom and take a shit. That's how I made rock and roll, Jesus.
Cause if you don't, you'll wind up a dope. Cause when the going gets rough, the going gets tough, the winners are the ones who say it's never enough. Now, are you listening to what I say? I am still a mutant turtle in every way. But tonight, we come to play.
Yo, there's Donatello. Even for a turtle, he's mellow. It's simple what makes him grin.